This is the weekly update for Mr. Fix's science class for the week of December 10th. On Monday, we finished the Force of Motion lesson 3.2. Again, the slide deck has all the activities in it. You go through it and do the activities. And again, there's a Force of Motion video walkthrough you can look at. And on Tuesday, we finished up the Force of Motion unit with lesson 3.3. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, we did a lot of review. Again, everything that's on page 16 of the reference notebook is going to be on the test. So students need to know all the key concepts and vocabulary terms from the unit. And we finished copying that down to page 16 of our reference notebook this week. Quiz of vocabulary set. Students can use flashcard mode, they can do learn mode, they can do write mode to study the vocabulary terms that are going to be on the test. We did a little whiteboard practice in class. And then we did fishing weight versus golf ball. Let's take a look at that. So we saw a golf ball collide with a fishing weight. We saw the fishing weight's velocity start moving, and the change with the golf ball was it changed direction. And so, again, this is showing the golf ball going towards the fishing weight, the two masses. And then we went over all the questions about it. So again, it goes to key concept number 7. Even though the force exerted on each object in a collision is the same strength, the object has different masses, their change velocity will be different. And also, key concept number 6, when two objects collide, a force is exerted on each object. Two forces exerted in opposite directions, but they're the same force. So, when the golf ball collides with the fishing weight, they both experience the same strength force. The fishing weight is to the left, the golf ball is to the right. The change of velocity is different for each one because the mass of the golf ball is 5 grams. It's much less than the fishing weight, so its change of velocity is much greater than the fishing weight. The fishing weight's change of velocity is not much at all. We did an Edpuzzle collisions review in class. We did a quizzes practice. I'm going to put some links on that so that they can use it as well, but during class I didn't have links to it because it was an in-class assignment. And then we did a collisions review handout. So students looked at these two boxes. They looked at the velocity before, velocity afterwards, and the change in velocity, and then based on that they looked at the questions and answered them. Then finally we had a Edpuzzle, ballistic ping pong ball versus tennis ball at 450 kilometers per hour. So students looked at this, and again, it's a collision between a ping pong ball and a tennis ball, and they should know, again, when the ping pong ball hits the tennis ball, the forces on each object is going to be exactly the same strength. And because the ping pong ball's mass is so much less than the tennis ball, its change velocity is much greater than the tennis ball.
What happens when you take 2.5?
Wow, that was very loud.
Listen to the damage. All you see is a small ripple through it. And again, this is 750 times slower than real time. Big couches. They ask you how amusing. Car crashes between massive trucks and...
All right, then on Friday we had the California Healthy Kids Survey. All science students in 7th and 8th grade on Friday at Springview took the survey. So reminder, again, the motion and the force and motion unit test is going to be next Tuesday. Again, what it covers. So hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.